In a pan, add 2 tablespoon oil. Add Gongura leaves and fry it. Now in a pressure cooker, add 5 tablespoon oil. Now add 2 cardamom, cinnamon sticks, and 3 to 4 cloves. Add 6 to 7 green chilies. Now add 2 onions. Salt. Turmeric powder. Now add ginger garlic paste. Fry until raw smell goes. Add 2 tomatoes and cook well. Add mutton to it. Now add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 tablespoon mutton masala powder to it. Fry for 5 minutes. Now add 1 glass water and cook it for 6 to 7 whistles. Now add the fried Gongura leaves. Add 1 teaspoon garam masala. Fry until oil separates. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.